If this insect has come into your house, then do not kill it, because it may seem scary to you, but actually the condition of this poor guy is bad. The name of this insect is Creatonotos gangis. This moth is found in South Asia and Australia. Now you will wonder, what is this tentacle-like thing coming out from behind them? Actually, this is their scent-producing organ, and normally this organ remains inside the stomach. But when they want a female, they take out these 4 tentacles and start searching for the smell of the female. After which, when the female is in range, they run away after seeing these 4 tentacles. Although they are vegetarian, they do not cause any harm to humans. Have you seen this creature? Let us know by commenting.